All right, this is basically a quick and dirty early morning mobility workout. I got 3 exercises here, basically just to counter sitting during the day and to warm up your joints. So 3 things. One's going to be working from a standing lunge, one's going to be a Hindu squat, and the other is going to be reverse tabletop from the floor. So for the standing lunge, I recommend you use an elastic band. This is optional, but if you can use it, it's going to keep some engagement through the shoulders and keep your chest open. So to start, you're doing this, bringing the band behind. You can use whatever level of tension you like. Hands about shoulder width. Keep the arms straight. Rotate your thumbs forward. And then see that you got some space behind you. I'm going to take this to a high lunge stance. So my left foot's my base. I'm stepping the right foot back. And step this back long. Keep the heel lifted behind. Square your hips. I'm pulling the right hip forward, the left hip back. Keep your torso upright, shoulders back. And just start to lift the arms behind, pulling on that strap and keep the tension. Now from here, just go straight down. Dip the right knee down for 1. And come back up. Be slow. Come back down for 2. And then bring it up. Come back down for 3. Bring this up again. Come back down for 4. And then bring it up. Now come back down for 5 and hold here. And then we're just going to pulse. Keep holding on the band. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. On 1 hold. And then lean forward, step forward, and relax for a moment. Okay, so for the other side, same grip on the band, straight arm, shoulder width, thumbs forward. Right foot's the base, step the left foot back, and again, step this back long. See that you got your balance, your hips are squared, left hip forward, right hip back. Keep the heel lifted behind, keep the shoulders pulled back, maybe lift the hands away a little bit. And then let's take this down, dip the left knee for 1. Come back up, be slow. Come back down for 2. And then bring it up. Come back down for 3. Bring it back up, come back down for 4. Bring it up again. Now sink down for 5 and hold. Keep pulling on the band. Pulse into the back knee. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. And then lean forward, step forward, and relax for a moment. All right, now this is going to be a Hindu squat, and I recommend taking this very slow, very smoothly, and using a wall so you don't have to fight your balance. Just one hand to the wall is usually enough. Try to keep your torso upright. To set this up, so feet about hips width distance, heels in, toes out. The free hand, bring it to your hip. Keep your spine upright as best you can all through the movement. And then lift your heels up high, legs straight to start. Keep your shoulders pulled back. And then sink down. Let the knees go forward, keep the heels lifted, bring it down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come back up just as slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Bring it down again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to do 3 more. Sink down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2 more. Bring it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Last one. Bring it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then set your heels, relax, shake out your feet. All right, now this is going to be reverse tabletop. I'm going to do 25 repetitions of this, and it's to take things up and down. Now you can have your palms down. You can point your fingertips forward. And if that's too much on the wrist, rotate your fingers to the sides. Be sure you're gripping the floor, and keep the feet about hips width distance in front of you. So set the palms, hands behind the shoulders, shoulder width. Press into your feet. The feet stay hips width distance, and just lift your seat up off the floor. Up and down from here. Inhale, press up for 1. Exhale, come down. Up for 2. Come back down. Lift for 3. Come back down. Lift for 4. Come back down. Lift for 5. Come back down. Lift for 6. Come back down. Lift for 7. Come back down. Lift for 8. Come back down. Lift for 9. come back down, lift for 10, come back down, lift for 11, come back down, lift for 12, come back down, lift for 13, come back down, lift for 14, come back down, lift for 15, come back down, lift for 16, come back down, lift for 17, come back down, lift for 18, come back down, lift for 19, come back down, lift for 20, come back down, lift for 21, come back down, lift for 22, come back down, lift for 23, come back down, lift for 24, come back down, lift for 25, and hold. Squeeze your glutes. You can look forward, look up, or let your head fall back. Keep lifting your chest. Take an inhale. And then with the exhale, bring it all down. Shake out your hands.